I'm here at Leys and Tudor is putting me to shame because he is beating me in this competition on to get birds on film. Now I'm in a wildlife nature reserve called Leys, and there's lots of paths that I can take, and there are hides and morning, afternoon, sorry. What time is it? About 6 o'clock and I'm saying good morning. Embarrassing. Anyway.
Different areas in.
To listen to those lads chatting away. So I couldn't really speak to the camera. So I'm going to walk round to the other hide, see if I can see any more birds. That was an egret, by the way, that I was taking photos of. And he was doing some little dances, which was really cool. Don't particularly want to do any B-roll, because I've got no one to do it for me. These are the kind of paths that I'm walking down. It's really nice, really quiet. So I'm going to go to the hide and see if I can get any more different birds from here. So we've got some noisy sheep and some bulls and loads of swans. It's really peaceful here as well. But I'm not looking for sheep, I'm looking for birds. So I'm hoping to go round to see where there's a bird feeder here. And normally there's some really nice birds, but that's normally in spring. And also it's evening. I might have already gone to bed, but live in hope. So this is where people normally hide out and watch the birds quiet solitude. But guess what? There's no birds here. And there's no people in there. Normally this place is, people have sat here when there's food, but